Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the Markets Breakdown Analysis for Wednesday, the 20th of September 2023. We'll be breaking down chart to show the exact zones where price will close both potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the daily candle for Tuesday, so the daily is looking bullish, but overall price just been consolidating within the no trade zone we've had on yesterday's analysis. Now yesterday we were looking for potential buys above 183.350, which is above this hourly resistance, and we're looking for potential sells below 182.700. As we can see, when you drop down to the hourly time frame, you can clearly see price respecting the no trade zone, and yes, just consolidating basically. So now we're going to break down the chart again, since the daily candle is ranging. So looking at the daily is ranging. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to mark this potential daily support to be formed around 182.780. Drop it down to the 4-hour time frame. We have this 4-hour support around 182.750. The most recent 4-hour resistance formed around 183.310. Drop it down to the hourly time frame. We have a similar level of support and resistance. Of course, we do have this new hourly support, but this is a small range. Also, this is a range on the 4-hour time frame. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, we have a same level of support, and then we have this new 30-minute resistance that was formed yesterday around 183.400. Looking at the 50-minute time frame, again we have a 50-minute resistance formed around 183.450. And now to identify the no trade zone, and the first thing we're going to do here is looking at the 4-hour time frame. Clearly we can see this is a range, so let's adjust this, drop it down to the hourly. We have this hourly resistance around 183.380, I'd say. Maybe what we could do is look for potential buys as price break and close above 183.380, anticipating for price to break out of this range. And for potential sells, we could look for sells as price break and close below this 4-hour support. Also, that means price will be breaking out of this range as well. So potential sells could be below 182.760. And this is going to be the no trade zone. And now to look for potential buys. Now looking at the daily. So the daily looks like it's going to close bullish, forming the daily support, but still ranging. But probably we're going to have the same target as the analysis we've had on yesterday. So the first thing we've had yesterday, we've had this daily resistance formed around 184.020. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour resistance formed around 183.750. Zooming in and looking at the hourly time frame, we have an hourly resistance above. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, we have a 5-minute resistance above. I believe the on yesterday's analysis, we had the first target at this 4-hour resistance. So I'd say the first target for buys could potentially be 183.750, targeting this 4-hour resistance. The second target for buys, now we have this daily resistance. And again, since price is failing to retest this daily resistance, ideally is to look for short targets, just in case if price reject this area again. So let's have a look on the 4-hour time frame. We have this 4-hour resistance around 184.140. Dropping down to the hourly, we have this range. I'd probably stick to the high time frame, and I'd say ideally is to have the second target for buys at 184.040, targeting this daily resistance formed previously. And now to look for potential sells and going back to the daily. So the first thing we did see yesterday is we've had clean traffic on a daily. Let's have a look on a monthly. We have this monthly support. Looking at the weekly time frame, we have this previous weekly low. We're just going to put a line to where this weekly low is at 182.520. Drop it down to the daily time frame. We have this daily low again. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, on the left, what we can see, we have this 4-hour previous support formed around 182.450. Drop it down to the hourly, we can adjust it based on this hourly support around 182.390. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we have a same level of support as well as the 50-minute time frame. So I'd say the first target for sells could potentially be this previous 4-hour support formed around 182.390. And the second target for sells, now let's look on the daily again. So we have a daily support all the way down to around 180.520. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, and looking on the left, and what we can see, we have this 4-hour support formed around 181.720. Looking at the hourly time frame, we have an hourly support around 181.650. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, we have a lower 5-minute support, but we have a similar level of support as the hourly. I'd probably stick to the same analysis that was posted yesterday. So I'd say the second target for sells could potentially be 181,650, targeting the 4-hour support formed on the 8th of August 2023.
Dominion Markets, your trading sanctuary.